All right, Alfred is making protein waffles, popularly requested.
Cinnamon.
How much water? So he has
I have 1 cup of water in there.
1 cup water, and you put cinnamon.
Just a little bit of cinnamon.
And what is that?
A little bit of nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
If you want a measurement, you can go with a half a teaspoon of each, but I'm lazy.
Half teaspoon each cinnamon, nutmeg.
Ground. That's a lawnmower back there. But this is ground
Awesome.
oats. So you'll see in the recipe that it says
Oatmeal.
rolled oats, but you grind it. I spit it in a Vitamix.
So he put
that in there.
rolled oats in the Vitamix,
Then
ground it.
Mix the oats in. So what's happening right now? Actually, I have a water dispenser back there. I'm gonna get you a picture of that.
Okay. What about this water dispenser?
I use half hot, half warm water.
So half a cup of hot, half a cup of warm.
Right.
This is the warm. This is not. This is the cold. So half cup hot, half cup room temperature.
Because this, and whatever measurement, everyone's measurements could be slightly different depending on their macros.
Yeah, you can
The
put
warm
as much.
water will help to make the flour or the oat flour thick.
Fluffy.
And then I go 10 tablespoons. Now I already know that 8 tablespoons is a half a cup.
Of what is that? Willie's protein?
Willie's protein powder that you can get from us. We do ship it. I mix that in, so that's 8 tablespoons.
We've tried other proteins, not all.
Not all work as well as this.
Yeah, unfortunately.
And then that's 9. And that's 10. So some of you have half of this recipe, or some people, not some of you, but some will have half of the recipe, which would be 5 tablespoons. Then I mix it in. So this is the key. You want this to be thick. If it's runny like pancake batter,
not pancake.
It's not going to work.
That's thick.
Okay.
Can you like scoop it and lift it?
I am.
And so
All
we
right.
can
So
see.
the next thing we do is we're going into the waffle maker because it beats. And that's honestly behind you. I like to put this in the sink. I use this. Coconut oil, Trader Joe's, $2.99. I spray the bottom first so it doesn't stick. See how thick that is? It should be thick. If it's not thick, it's going to stick.
Oh, so that's 1 waffle.
Then I spray the top, shut it down, flip it.
Oh, it's 2 waffles. Awesome.
Yep, 2 waffles for me.
Nice. None for me.
Most men get 2 waffles. Actually, some of my females get. If you want 2 waffles, I put it in your macros.
For those who are doing personalized meal plans,
Then you spray.
sharing
Set it.
our
Then I go
recipes
over here
today.
to the timer, 7 minutes on level 1.
There's no timer on your fancy fancy
There probably
fridge.
is, but I know how to use that one, so I'm using it.
Okay, 7 minutes.
If you can whip around here.
7 minutes.
This is a Waring double Belgian waffle maker. It's on level 1. This is key. You want a waffle maker where you can control the temperature for 7 minutes.
Level
If you
1,
go to
7 minutes.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
With your
You
coupon.
get a 20% off coupon. You can get this for about $80. Now,
Okay.
while this is cooking, some of you don't do that. Now it's time for cleanup.
Oh, okay. I'm
Now,
gonna put you on pause.
If you don't have time, you do.
Just clean up.
That's
Clean
done.
up. Okay, I'm put you on pause so you can see what the waffle looks like finished. All done. So what are you gonna do to it?
Just put sea salt on it.
Just sea salt?
Yep.
Are you spraying it with any? Look how fluffy it is.
No, I don't want to show.
Sea salt, and that is it. Okay. Thank you, Alfred.